My name's Graeme. I've been at ASET for approximately just over 11 years now. I've been in the electrical industry for 40, coming up for 46 years now. Well, going through proper training is one of the things that, it's essential for you working in hazardous areas. We'll cover and make sure the guys are working in a safe environment with regards to being non-hazardous areas or hazardous areas. We've got a total of 20 bays covering EXO 1 to 4. And we've got 4 EXO 5 and 6 bays that we can do the dust courses. The bays are state of the art. It's all modern equipment it's in. The equipment that we're working with will replicate the types of equipment when they're in the workplace.